Hi everyone, welcome back to Acres of Clay. Today we are baling our second cut in hay, and with the drought that we had during the month of June, it is definitely showing up in second cut in hay, and there just isn't the volume there as there was in first cut. And usually second cut is a little bit smaller than first cut, and we definitely can tell that we didn't get the moisture that we needed to make a decent sized second cutting. So we mowed the hay a few days ago. It's been drying for, I don't know, 3 or 4 days now. And today we are going to rake it up and bale it. And I'm actually going to be taking over for Ethan. I'm going to be driving the 7495 tractor for the very first time. I have not drove that tractor yet. Everybody else has been doing it, which I'm okay with. But today I get to drive it, and I will bring you along and show you how well it handles. So I'm meeting Ethan here. He's been baling for a little bit already. I'm just taking over for him, and I'll just switch out with him once he gets here. for the day. I think there's like 27 or 28 bales on this little piece. And so this piece yielded probably better than all the other pieces that we baled today. Yeah, now we have to pick them all up. So I'm gonna take this home, and maybe the guys are already working at picking them up, I don't know, but driving it went really well. I am back home. I didn't get much video of me driving the tractor. I know it was my first time, but in reality, this tractor is just like our Challenger, and there's nothing different about it. So I just hopped in and went. All the dials and everything, it's all the same, so it's really no different baling with this tractor or the Challenger. They're the exact same thing, so that's why I kind of didn't get a lot of video of it. I thought if it was going to be something major different, then maybe I would show you guys, but there really isn't. So they got one load home. We're working at putting it inside our new hay barn. So this is what the hay barn looks like so far. They worked out some trim, and we got the rest of the steel came this morning for the roof. So we'll be able to finish the roof here soon. We've got first cutting in here, and now we're gonna put second cut in here. We have the semi in here because that has some corn in it, and that's what we've been shelling. So we're just putting it under the roof so in case it rains. So there's a certain way we stack them, and we always stack them with the strings on the sides, not on the tops. We've got second cutting all stacked up here in the hay barn, put away, picked up and put away. And let me go around here. This is what it looks like. We've got 100 bales, maybe just over 100 bales of second cutting. So like I said, it was a little bit light. There's some fields that we didn't even cut a second cutting on yet. That's just because it was grass and it just hasn't grown. So, but thankfully, let me show you this. Thankfully, we've gotten some rain. You can see the puddles. We've got just over 2.5 inches of rain with a couple showers actually. So that's good. That'll help third cutting get off to a really good start. But before the rain came, we were working on the roof to make sure that these bales would be covered. We got about 2 inches of rain and the bales are covered, but we didn't have this side done. This will be another video, but then yesterday we were able to finish the barn roof completely. Now we just have to do the back wall and the side there, and yeah, it'll be good. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Really appreciate all your support that you show to my channel. We will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.